creeks slowing to a trickle, becoming dangerously dry. Despite disastrous flooding earlier this year, the Okanagan now facing a drought.
Yes, we had a really wet spring. Yes, there's flooding in the South Okanagan, and yes, our aquifers are high, but the hills are still dry. We've had drought in 2015, drought 2016, drought 2017, and we have not recovered.
While reservoir and lake levels are still largely adequate, concern is centered around the creeks. The Okanagan Basin Water Board is expecting above normal temperatures for the rest of the summer and into the fall, but it's worried there won't be enough precipitation, and that could create problems for fish. Salmon need enough water in the fall to spawn, and scientists are worried the water flow in some creeks isn't high enough. And there are other problems too.
We also have to make sure that we have enough water in our, for firefighting. We still have a long season ahead. We also have to make sure that we have enough water for the food crops.
Because of severe spring flooding, the Okanagan is actually better off than much of BC, already facing very dry or extremely dry conditions. This region is currently at a level 2 drought rating, which means dry, although the government warns that could change.
Given the forecast, we actually are expecting in the Okanagan that we may be going to level 3 fairly soon.
Provincial Drought Response Coordinator Valerie Cameron says the region needs sustained precipitation to bring those water levels back up, and right now there's no sign of a weather system that will bring enough rain. Officials are asking people to avoid wasting water and to follow sprinkling bylaws.
So it's really important that we all really consider what is important to us here in the Okanagan. Is it green lawns? Or is it the fish? And is it our food?
Jules Knox, Global News, Kelowna.